So now we're going to be writing numerical expressions and finding the value of them. We're going to start with A, 20 times the sum of 38 and 12. Well, I know 20 times means 20, multiplication sign. The sum is the answer to an addition problem. So I know I'm going to be adding, and I'm going to be adding 38 and 12. But sum means answer, and I need to find the answer to 38 plus 12 first. So I'm actually going to put these in parentheses, meaning I'm going to solve this portion first, get my answer, and then multiply it by 20. I know this because GEMS helps me remember. G in GEMS stands for grouping symbols, which is like parentheses. E is for exponents. M is for multiplication and division. Then S is for subtraction and addition. But since my addition is inside those grouping symbols, I'm going to do that first. So let's see. 38 plus 12. I know that's 50. And now I'm going to multiply 20 times 50. Well, 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 times 10 is 100, so that's 10 hundreds, or 1,000. So let's see. The difference between 6 fives and 4 fives. The difference means the answer to a subtraction problem. So I know I'm subtracting. 6 fives, oh, that's a hard one, but I remember 6 fives means 6 times 5. So I'm going to multiply 6 times 5. And 4 fives means 4 times 5. So let's see. 6 times 5 minus 4 times 5. Well, I'm trying to think what I would have to do first to solve this. I can see multiplication comes before subtraction, so I'm already going to have to multiply before I can subtract. If I want to put it in parentheses, I can, but I don't have to. 6 times 5 is 30, and 4 times 5 is 20. Oh, 30 minus 20 is 10, so my answer is 10. Divide the difference between 800 and 500 by 3. This is a hard one. I'm going to be dividing the answer to a subtraction problem. So I need to find the answer to the subtraction problem first. So I'm going to be subtracting 800 minus 500. And to find the answer first, I need to be able to find it first, so I need to put it in parentheses. And now I'm dividing this answer by 3. So I'm going to divide this by 3. It's really important that we put this division sign behind or after our subtraction, because if we put it in front, then we'd be saying 3 divided by the answer to that. And we really want to find the answer and then divide the answer into 3 groups. So 800 minus 500 is 300. And we're going to divide by 3. Oh, 300 divided by 3 is 100. All right. Now they gave us a numerical expression. We need to express it in words. It looks like I'm multiplying 5 by the answer to this addition problem. So I'm going to look at A to help me. I can see it says 20 times the sum. So I think I'm going to do 5 times the sum. And now I just need to put the 2 numbers that I'm adding. So I need to do 5 times the sum of 62 and 8. So now I need to actually solve. 62 plus 8 is 70. And now I'm going to multiply by 5. So let's see. 5 times 7 is 35. So 5 times 70 is 350. All right, last one in the chart. 140 minus 20 times 10. Well, I know when I'm subtracting, and especially when it's in parentheses, I need to do that first. I know the word to the answer to a subtraction problem is difference. So the difference between these 2 numbers, so 140 and 20, and now it looks like I'm going to multiply by 10, so I'm going to write times 10. The difference between 140 and 20 times 10. So let's see. 140 minus 20 is 120, and I'm multiplying that by 10. Oh, I know that's just 10 times greater than 120, which is 1,200. So let's quickly do 7 at the bottom, just so that's right in the same video. We're comparing these two expressions. I know 100 times 3 is 300. That's easy. This one's a little bit harder because there's 3 factors. But I can see that 25 times 4, oh my gosh, I know that that's 100. And now I'm doing 100 times 6. Well, that's easy. That's 600. So my answer is actually going to be the second one is bigger. Remember, our sign always opens up to the bigger number. Finally, 27 times 15 and 30 15s minus 3 15s. Well, I'm going to start with this one because that seems like a little bit more work to do. 30 15s is 30 times 15. I'm going to put that here. And then minus 3 15s is 3 times 15. Well, we're multiplying by the same number, so I can actually just combine these. 30 minus the 3 means that we actually have a total of 27 15s. This works because our unit in both numbers is 15. We have 27 15s, which can be represented as 27 times 15, which is actually the same as right here. So these two equations or expressions are equal to each other.